be discussing a very useful transaction in SAP Material Management module, that is MB25. In this transaction, you are able to see a list of open reservations in the system. This can be about finished goods, semi-finished goods, raw materials, or even the spare parts. So we will see how you can execute this transaction and how you can retrieve useful data using this MB25 transaction. So in your window of SAP module, you will write MB25, and then this window will appear in front of you. So it has multiple sections. So first one is reservation data, in which you can enter the material number or list of materials or a range of materials. Then we have plant, list of plants or range of plants or even one plant. Then we have requirements date, in which you can enter a specific period or you can enter one single date or list of different types of dates. Then we have username and good recipient. So in next section we have account assignment, in which you can see we have the cost center, order, list of orders or a range of orders, WBS elements for asset related items, network, activity, asset, sub number, receiving plant, which is very important, receiving storage location. This is also very important. Sales order item, and sales order schedule. So in the bottom, you can see we have a scope of list. I have selected the open reservations. If you uncheck this box, you can see all the historical reservations in that certain filter. Then we have cancelable reservations, good movements not possible, issues, receipts. So all of these are filters and the sorters that you want to apply in your data research. Then we have layouts as well. There can be multiple layouts as per our requirement, and we have already selected a default layout. Then first of all, let's start with a very simple example. What I will do is I will write a plant, specific plant number, that is 4100, and then I will enter a requirement date range. In this way, what will happen is I will write a range of date. Let's say I write from 7th of November 2025 till 9th of November 2025. So I have selected 3 days and I have selected the plant number only 4100, and I have selected the open reservations only. So in this way, when I will press execute or F8 button, this list will appear in front of you, and in this list you can see these are the open reservations in the system in this particular date. So in this window there are some different types of columns which provide you different sorts of data. So the first column is reservation. You can see the reservation numbers for these items. These are raw materials, packaging materials, and these sorts of materials. Then you have requirement date, second column. In third column, you have movement type. The movement type is 311. Then we have the material, that is for different types of items. Then we have material description, the unit of measure, that can be number or kgs or pieces, etc. Then you have requirement quantity, which is shown against each item. Then you have removed quantity. Then we have difference. Then we have username. Then we have the plant. Then next is receiving storage location, at which location this item is being received. Then we have the storage location, movement type, TF transfer within plant. Then we have goods recipient name, and then we have the item numbers. So these are the basic data elements that are available in the display of MB25 transaction. So we can also add some more data items. You have to select this square colorful boxes that will be change layout. When you will select these, you can see on the left side displayed columns which are already being displayed in our main window. On the right side, you will see there are a list of other elements as well, which you can also add to your display list based upon your own requirement, like account assignment for reservation, order, WBS element, unit of entry, movement allowed, item deleted, quantity in unit of entry, plant, sales order item, activity, reservation status, batch, network, and lots of items. So what you have to do is you have to click on that you have to select that item, and then you have to press this arrow. If you have to move it on the left side, you will this use F7, then this will be moved on the left side. And if you have to move any item from right side to left side, then what will happen is, then you have to press this right faced field there, or F6. See, I have moved username from left side to right side, and then you have to press this tick button, and you will see that additional window is added, which I have pressed and we have entered, and an existing field is removed. So in this way, you can see that this is the main display of this window. So this we can get from MB25. So let's go back. This is the data. Let's make it a bit more specific. Let's say what I want to do is I write some material number here, specific material number, for example 546 Teta 0462. I want to check for this material number which are the open reservations for this, and you can see for this material number there are no open reservations. See, let's say let's try another reservation. Let's try the 543 461. Let's see if anything is open in this date. You can see that this for this material number 461, one reservation is open, still open. That is carton green. That was requirement date was 9th of 11. Reservation was 823302. Quantity was 2000 numbers. And this way you can see that this is the open reservation for this material code. Let's say if you want to analyze the reservation itself, what you will do is you will double click on this reservation 823302, and when you will double click you can see that this reservation is further opened, and this reservation has multiple items in it. You can see it has 546 triple tetra 0459. It has item number 2, that is 546 tetra 0461, and it has 546 tetra 0465. The plant was 4100, movement was 4102, and the date was 9th of 11, and the quantity withdrawn are also written here. So you can see you are able to view the details of reservation as well through this MB25 transaction. So this is very useful transaction that we use in material management, in production planning, and in production manufacturing. So if let's go back, let's put another filter. Currently you can see what what I have done is I have entered this material number, I have entered this plant, and I have selected the requirement date as well. Let's say I enter the start date as 1st of January 2025. So what it will do is it will show me the open reservations for this material code and material number in this specific duration, that is from 1st of January to 9th of November 2025. So I have executed this one. You can see the window will appear, and you will see that for this complete year only this one reservation is open for this material number. So this is very useful data. Let's say what we can do is we remove the material number. Then I want to see which reservations are still open in this complete year of 2025. So I have removed all the material numbers, and I have just selected the date for the complete year, and you can see that a big list will appear in front of you, sort of, and it will show you which items are still open and which reservations are still open. So you can see that this is the historical data of complete 2025 year, where we have lots of reservations which are open, and these are different types of reservations. It is finished good, some are semi-finished, some are raw material, some are packaging materials, and you can see that in the end of this column there is some is also available. The number is 171, kg is 10,765, liter is 82, and PAC is 728,000. So in this way you can see a complete list of open reservations in the system through MB25 transaction. So again, if I want to open any transaction, if I want to see who created this reservation, who was the requisitioner, who was the issuer, so I can see all of these data as well. For the yellow ones, these are those reservations which are slightly delivered, and some of the quantity was removed from them. So these are the uh, yellow ones transactions and reservations. So in this video we have, let's have a recap. We have explained how you perform transaction MB25, what is its usage, how you can perform it, what are the filters that you can add, what are the options like the material number, date, movement type, plant, etc., and how the information can be sorted and filtered, and how you can retrieve maximum information through this transaction MB25. And it can help you in your inventory management, it can help you in your floor management, shop floor versus physical floor. It can help you analyze the yields of your products, your raw materials, your packaging materials, and ultimately it can help you in your better control and financial management. So for any question you can just write in the comments tab, and please suggest if you want us to make videos on any other transactions as well. Please like this video, share this video, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.